All right, another video, another day. Retired every day, living in the Philippines. Red, living Philippines. What have I got going on today? What's Kevin and Juvie in the Philippines got going on? Let's take a look inside the warehouse. We got a technician over here. Take a look at the treadmill that quit working. So after all the construction, because I had to tear this ceiling down if you watched any videos, I had the machine covered. Everything was pushed to one corner of the room in here. Now it's all pulled back out, but it sat for almost 6 months, and it turned it on and it wouldn't move. I don't know if it's the actual machine or if it's just the oil got all gobbed up from sitting 6 months in the heat.
Probably that.
And it just needs to be cleaned and reapplied. Hopefully not. But anyhow, I got was walking around the Clark Parade ground Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Then it started raining. So it's back to the rowing machine. I'm up to 15 minutes on this rowing machine.
Okay.
Gonna work up to a half hour like I was before. 15 minutes on the bike, so it's a half hour between these two.
Siguro yung oil nag-ano lang.
Okay naman yung motor.
Oo, kasi nga naririnig mo.
I'm doing 45 minutes on this bad boy, this Damios cross trainer, the 540 from up at the Decathlon up on Clark at the SM Mall. So hopefully it's nothing too seriously wrong with it. This is gonna undo it all. Release the tension, maybe try the motor then. Give him a minute here. It's gonna try and give it a whirl. Got it loosened up. You can switch it to the other. Did you just get shocked? Whoa. Huh. I don't know how you distinguish if it's the motor or the electronics.
So it needs a service here. Oh, we have a just the tension, the lubrication, sir.
That it's old, right? From not being used, it got all.
But I really need to clean this.
Yeah, you have to wash the old oil off it.
You have the hard brushed bristle.
I do. Okay, let me pause this and check for the brushing. I don't know if I got DW40, maybe. Gotta clean this track up.
There's a lot of mold buildup because of the moisture.
Yeah, we even have a dehumidifier in here, but it's small. I'm thinking maybe if I was using it, it wouldn't have been as bad. Not to mention it was covered.
Mm-hmm.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. So they got that all blown out. I think I didn't have the camera rolling. I think I paused it instead of recording it. But he blew all the dust out of there with that compressed air. Now you gotta wipe all the crust out underneath it so you can put some fresh oil, which I don't even know where the oil's at anymore. It's in the toolbox. It was in the top of that toolbox, right?
Yep, it's right here.
Yeah. That's where I put it. Get it all nice and clean. Hopefully it works just fine. Need to clean this other one. Now squeeze oil into that track. Fresh coat of oil. And there it goes at 1 kilometer.
Let's do 5 so I can just align the belt.
Now align and tension the belt.
Po yung belt. Then yung lubrication.
So you can see on the rollers where he centers it.
Yeah.
Between this edge and that edge there. So he's tensioning it back and forth to keep that belt
Rest
centered.
day ko kasi is Wednesday, Thursday. So wala talaga akong store.
But it was all dirty and moldy and dusty. So he had the service technician come out.
Lagi mo iiwan ng number, hindi man yata binibigay sa'yo.
Nakabunot yun. Nag-round ako ng binunot ko yun, kaya ayoko na isaksak.
Kaya init dito.
It's rolling at 8 kilometers now.
Kung yung mga talakad, yung oil, may kainan eh.
Nabuo, ma'am. Naging ano siya, naging candy. Naging slurry sa loob.
I figured that much. I just didn't want to take it apart myself. There we go.
Let someone that's experienced at doing this instead of the amateur hour make sure it gets adjusted and cleaned correct. The final test.
needs more adjustment.
Just checking it for slippage. It's not. A little bit tighter.
Just a bit more, and then we're good.
A little bit more and it's good. Final adjustment test. Looks like it's tracking pretty good. You won't see me running on this. I just walk at a brisk pace.
I need to run because I'm training for my marathon.
So there it is, all nice and cleaned up and fully functioning. It's off, but I need to dust this one off. This one doesn't have anything, it's all mechanical. There's no electronics or electricity to it, centrifugal. Actually, no, it does have electronics and it does have resistance. Anyway, that's what went on today. Some repairs on our repair on the treadmill. I can get back to using that, especially because when it's raining, you know, walking around the parade ground up on Clark is a no-go. I guess you could do it with umbrellas, but then your shoes get all wet from slinging water. So hope you enjoyed the short video. Kevin, Red Living Philippines. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, ask a question, and have a wonderful day.